Channel 2 weather with meteorologist Jackie Purcell.
Aloha, my fellow Alaskans. These are the beautiful white plumeria flower. Yeah, I know, it's not our flower, but it is from Hawaii. A lot of Alaskans make that their second home during the winter. So why not show some of the beautiful scenes from that beautiful state? Here's back in the city of Anchorage. We have temperatures that are into the 50s for the most part, with one exception, or two, I should say. Eagle River, you're at 60 degrees, and Glen Alps, 46 degrees for you. The Campbell Creek Science Center coming in with 59 degrees here in the last hour. Well, there is the state of Hawaii. They're looking pretty good, but they've had a lot of storm systems just to our north, and a lot of times on their north shores, that generates some pretty good waves. Let's rotate back north into the Alaska region. We have a front moving across the southern coastal areas of southwest Alaska. We have another upper level system into the northern portion of the Gulf of Alaska. You can see it rotating north through southeast Alaska, at least the northern portion. They'll see some rain showers. It's possible. Thunderstorms could be seen into some sections of the Copper River Basin, some isolated showers here locally as well. Along the Arctic slope, there was high pressure, but we have low pressure, and you can see its influence pushing some precipitation back into the southwest coastline. There could be some scattered areas of development, mainly in the higher elevations, just to our north and into the eastern portion of the Copper River Basin. Back through the interior, we find the hot spot for the state at Eielson Air Force Base, 73 degrees. Barrow, you take the cold spot at 30. Well, here's a look at those high temperatures. It made it into the low 70s in Fairbanks. 57 for the Anchorage area, 64 out of McGrath, and then really pretty much 50s out of the northwest corner. Bethel right at 61 for their high temperature today, back into the 50s from Dillingham and stretching into Kodiak Island. Juneau topped out at 67 degrees, and St. Paul, you came in with 46. South Central, well, I'll tell you what, you will be heating up in the days to come. 60 out of Talkeetna, 59 for both Wasilla and Palmer. These temperatures could be some 5 to 10 degrees warmer here in the next couple of days. We'll see that high pressure build in and then really establish itself all over again into the region. That storm system moves north, but another one replaces as it moves across the Aleutians. This is through Thursday, so that low will really impede its progress, keeping us, I think, on the sunny side of the weather into the next couple of days, or at least toward the weekend, even warmer. There is a chance of some freezing drizzle along the Arctic slope, however. High temperature, 36, but when you have an overnight low of 27, and it could be still cold in the mornings, that's why you have that chance of freezing drizzle along the Arctic slope. 45 in Point Hope, winds out of the east, 15 to 25, and it'll be 63 in Anaktuvik, and Bettel, 71 for you. 70s picking up again into the interior. Generally, it'll be mostly cloudy skies, some rain showers, but still a fairly pleasant afternoon. As far as the west coast, it is definitely going to be clouds and showers for you. Even a more steady rain for around Gamble. For the Aleutians in southwest Alaska, rain toward Coal Bay, but looking for some nice breaks into Unalaska. Gusty winds, however, for the far western Aleutians, especially through Wednesday night, gusts to 60 miles per hour at Shimia. Southeast Alaska, mostly cloudy, a chance of rain for you. And back into south central, it's that ridge of high pressure, bringing us some sunshine for most areas. That is a little more cloud cover, but still warmer temperature. Glen Allen, 73 is your expected high tomorrow. We're looking at partly to mostly sunny skies across the Matanuska-Susitna Valley, as well as the Kenai Peninsula, and well over 18 hours of daylight at this time. So in the next several days, we'll still see some sunshine, a few high clouds drifting in on Thursday. Temperatures start to heat up on Friday. Why not go into the 70s for the weekend, huh? Why not? I'm doing it, folks. We're going there.
Very good. Thanks, Jackie.
Kevin, what's coming up?
Hockey and basketball